Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn a part-time income even if you have no experience. You definitely want to stay tuned for this entire video. I may give you some aha moments, something I just learned about just yesterday. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Now you know what time it is. This is Adam Shelton and it's time to go ahead and give you the content and the information of how you can earn a part-time income even if you don't have any experience. But let me go back. Just yesterday, I was at a restaurant and I was overhearing a conversation and with these two college students talking about earning extra cash. So I was sitting there thinking like, you know what? I got a couple ideas for them. So I was writing some information down. I was actually preparing for another video, not this video, but another video down the road. And I was writing some information down and one of the students came across to me and asked me a question out of the blue. Maybe he saw what I was writing about. He was like, how do you earn extra part-time income? Now I had told him, hey, go ahead and have a seat. Now, one of the biggest problems I went through, I wanted to earn income online, but I didn't know how. So I basically started Googling everything and I got a couple of ideas. But the big problem was I didn't know how to do it consistently and I wasn't as comfortable doing it. It was like selling supplies and things like that. It was like things I didn't really heard of, but I tried it. Some things worked, some didn't. So I told him a couple of things he can do. I said one thing, a YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel to earn part-time income. Now, you do need to have, a number of subscribers and view times and views to get there. But if you do videos every single day and you learn how to do YouTube, I say take a YouTube course. Take a YouTube course to learn how to do videos, learn how to monetize your videos, learn how to content your type of videos, and then maybe in a certain short amount of time, you can start earning income. I said another thing as a college student that you can do is affiliate marketing. I said, man, affiliate marketing, why not? So I told them about the product that I'm in, the services that I'm in. So I did tell them about that. I said, affiliate marketing is great for a college student. You can actually do part-time hours and earn instant income. So I threw a couple of affiliate marketing. I say ClickBank, of course, Amazon, eBay. You can sell their services on there. But I also told them about other high-ticket affiliate marketing companies. Are they ready to go ahead and commit to that? So I said, look at those things as well. I said another thing is whatever you're good at. One of the college students told me he was a really good blogger. He was a really good writer and a blogger. I said, man, you can go ahead and write for other companies, or you can actually sell your services and products through your blog. So find some products and services you can sell through your blog, and there's Fiverr. You can actually write blogs for somebody. There's Fiverr.com. You can be a freelance writer. They're sitting there writing all this stuff down. And I was giving a couple of information. I said, man, be a freelance photographer. One of them said they used to do pictures. I said, be a freelance photographer or freelance writer because one of them said they was a good blogger. So I just gave him a couple of things. And the thing about it, I want to say it's easy to make money because it does take commitment and a certain type of, mindset and determination. But everyone is good at something. Even I told one of the college students, look around your dorm room and see what you can sell. And I think one of them said they had some video games that they don't really use anymore, but they kind of brand new that they got for Christmas. I said, sell those. Post those up, do a video about it, or go ahead and post it on eBay, post it on Amazon, whatever, thing like that. Not on Amazon, but post on eBay and sell those things. Because I had a friend of mine sold her, I think it was laptop or tablet. She sold her tablet for $500 on eBay within a couple of days. I said, man, post those video games, post your tablets, start posting things and start selling things that you don't need because somebody always going to need something. Somebody always going to need some type of information from you. Maybe they need that tablet. Maybe they need those video games. So I say the biggest thing, you got to get resourceful and creative. Start building income for yourself. That way you'll go ahead and take that income and reinvest it. Now I told them, take that income, reinvest it into something you believe in. But first you got to do is sit there and figure out exactly what you want to do when you have this income. But I told them those are type of part-time opportunities, YouTube channel, a blog because they're really good at writing, One of them was good at photographer, take pictures, get companies, maybe be a freelance photographer like Fiverr or Fiverr.com is a really good place for that. I go there to get outsourced information. I definitely do. I definitely go there. And I also told them things about selling things in their dorm rooms that they no longer need anymore. And I also told them do things that you're really good at, things that you know you can get some type of income from. So it's easier to come up with ideas to make money from home or even from your dorm room. So that's all I got for you. Remember, this is always about delivering content and information from you. And I know you've been sitting there for about, 5 minutes sitting there thinking, well, Adam, what are you really going to say? Well, do you got something to say at the end? Well, I do got something to say at the end because I know you're struggling right now. I know you're thinking about different things. I know you're confused, overwhelmed, you're spinning your wheels, all those type of languages about making money from home. Yes, you can do those products I did say, those services I said. But if you want some high ticket companies to make some money, but not just make money, because we do have a disclaimer, all results are not typical, but you get to training and education. Click on the link below and get started. You'll be introduced to this high ticket digital marketing company that is doing gangbusters online right now and is teaching people how to do real marketing and teaching how to build your own online business starting as humanly as possible. As soon as you click on that link and sign up, you can start watching the videos and you go ahead and get started with the training. Go ahead. I know you want to. I know you want to click on that link below. It's my #1 recommendation on making money online. Click on that link and you'll go ahead and get started and you can start earning some part-time income or even a possibility full-time income. So you can start making some part-time income. Why not? Why not do it? So go ahead and click on the link below, get started, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you on the next video. See you later.